Bad fuel economy, rough idle, and poor acceleration are the symptoms of bad or dirty mass airflow sensor. Hello everyone, Radiation Tech here. Today I'll go over how to clean the mass airflow sensor in this 2015 Toyota Camry. Okay, this is our mass airflow sensor right here, and it's located after the housing for the engine air filter. Okay, to take off the electrical connector off, just push on this tab at the end and the connector should come off. Okay, now we'll open the two screws that's holding the sensor. And this is our mass airflow sensor. Okay, to clean our sensor, I'll be using this mass airflow sensor cleaner, and I'll be spraying these two wires with the cleaner. Okay, and I'm going to set it aside for about 15 minutes to dry, then we can put it back together. Okay, with our sensor clean now, we can go ahead and install it. Put back the electrical connector.